A core engine generates power from the expansion of compressed air in a contained cylinder with the help of fuel. That is why it's called as an internal combustion engine. Before getting into the working, let's see the main parts involved in the working of an engine. First, the crankshaft. This is the part which converts the linear motion of the pistons to rotational force. Next, the pistons and the pistons rod. The pistons which be pushed down by the expansion of compressed air and turn the crankshaft, and the valves which control the flow of air and fuel into the cylinder. These valves are driven by the intake camshaft and they execute the camshaft as the camshaft are driven by the cranks. It is the using a timing belt. There will be pulleys tight in the place. This here the internal torque engines, which is commonly found in most engines, should passes through four different power. They are intake, compressions power, and they execute the torque. The cranks to camshaft ratio is 2:1, which means it will take 2 cranks revolutions to complete 1 camshaft revolutions, and the camshaft are designed in a responsive manner to open or closed based on the corresponding strokes of each cylinder. Let's take a look at a single cylinder and see how a 4-stroke engines work in detail. In order to engine the air fuels mixture, a spark plug is used. This will ignite the compressed air fuel mixtures with help of the electrical spark. We will take it down by each stroke. The intake stroke, the inlet valve opens. The downward movement of the pistons create a situation is pulled the air fuel mixture in the cylinder. Once the air fuel mixture is the compression strokes beginning compressing the mixture. At this time, both inlet and outlet valves saying closed at the fuel mixture is ignited by the spark plug. The explosions exerted the pressure and pushes in the pistons down. This is the power strokes which produce the power to the cranks. At the execute the stroke, the outlet valves open at the pistons pushed out the burned gas and the cycle start again from intake strokes, keeping the engines running and produce the power of a carburetor engine. The air and the fuel are mixed inside the carburetor assembly and fit to the cylinder. In the case of a fuel injector, the engine fuel is injected into the intake main float and directly into the cylinder. Sign only a power strokes produce the power. You may wonder how the engines running continuously. Well, the answer is the cranks is well the flying and the cranks outward produce the moment which keep the crankshaft from the stopping immediately. For a 4-cylinder engine continuously any times intense of the cylinder is always power strokes which produced more power and less vibrations combining to a single cylinder the engine, or that is how a car engines produced power and simple. Thank you for watching video.